today, Saturday, January 25th, is the release of the new Jaded Gem Shop Witchy Stitcher collaboration. I have been waiting since October 2024 to share these videos with you. If you didn't know, in October 2024, I went and visited Jade from Jaded Gem Shop in California. We hung out. I stayed in the Jaded Gem Shop office headquarters. Let me tell you, sleeping next to drawers and drawers of DMC diamond painting drills was, I don't know, it was unreal, okay? But basically, she gave me the two canvases. They are from the Witchy Stitcher / Jaded Gem Shop collaboration. Originally, I filmed this as two videos. So the first video was going to be me unboxing the two canvases, and then the second video is me going to be working on one of the canvases and finishing it and showing you the finished product. But instead, I decided to condense them into one video for your enjoyment, and also because I'm lazy and don't feel like editing and turning it into two videos. So that's what this video is going to be today, and I'm super stoked to be able to share this with you. For the launch of this collaboration, Jaded Gem Shop and Witchy Stitcher released 12 canvases. 11 of them are the tarot cards, which 2 of the tarot cards I'm going to show you in this video. And then there's another canvas that is a Ouija board, which is super cute. You can go to jadedgemshop.com, links in the description box below if you are interested in getting these. But let's get into my video from October, and my nails are much nicer in that video, so I'm glad that I'm not filming a desk video today. So today we're going to be looking at these two canvases from the tarot collection, the Lovers and the Death cards. These are both 17.25 by 27.75 centimeters, and I'm very excited. So let's start with Death. Okay, we're gonna open Death first. So here's how they come. They come in this tiny little box. I just put lotion on my hands, so they're kind of slippery. First off, let's see what falls out. We have our Jaded Gem Shop washi tape, and we have a little cover minder, which is a watermelon. Here we have our drills, and then we'll pull out whatever else we have in here. Oh my goodness. So here we have, I'm excited to look at the canvas, but we won't look right away. We have some release paper, 2 pieces, because this is a smaller kit, double-sided release paper. And then here are the drill colors, as you can see. I'm not going to go through all of the drills, but we will look at any of the special drills that are in here. And then you also get this sticker sheet. So here is a larger version of the thumbnail. And so this is originally a cross stitch. So it's just been converted into diamond painting. And it's so gorgeous. It's so pretty. Okay, and then down here, usually it's just the Jaded Gem Shop logo, but we also have the Witchy Stitcher logo, which is really cool. And then these are just stickers, so you can peel these up, put them on the bags or your baggies if you kit up in baggies, or you can put them on your containers if you kit up in little containers like this as well. So these are just really handy. Looks like there's going to be 20 different colors. Now let's look at the canvas itself. Wow, I love how, okay, so first off, if you have done a Jaded Gem Shop in the past, you'll notice that the border for the JGS diamond paintings is green, and this one, it is black because it also has both logos at the top, Jaded Gem Shop and the Witchy Stitcher, and then here is the title and then the artist, and at the bottom we have the schematic. So here's a larger thumbnail version. And then down here we have our schematic. Oh wow, there's actually 6 glimmer drills. That's gonna be okay. So I personally don't like working with ABs, and some people say ABs smell, like the special drill ABs. Some people say they smell, but also I just don't like it because they tend to steal putty or like wax from my pen. But I really like the look of glimmer drills. I think it's just so pretty. So that's awesome. There's going to be 6 of them in here. So we'll take a closer look at the canvas itself. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. And so a lot of people were doing cross-stitch conversions of this pattern. So they would get the pattern from Witchy Stitcher, then they would source the drills, source the canvas, and then they would work off the pattern to figure out where the drills go and like by what color. But no, you no longer have to do that because you can just get this kit. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so we'll fit it all in one view. And this again is the Death Tarot card. Can you just imagine when they're all released, just like getting them all as a set? So let's take a look at those glimmer drills. So we have, okay, so this white color is a glimmer drill. And I know there's a bit of reflection, so I'm trying my best to show you. Looking for all the glimmers. Glimmers, please come out if I call you. Okay, so this blue is a glimmer. You can just see there's like that coating, that fine powdery coating on top of it. This peachy color. Lots of 310 because that whole background is going to be 310. And then we have a gray glimmer. Did I show this one? This is green. I don't know if I already showed this one or not. Okay, but anyways, there's going to be glimmer, all right? So that's very exciting. And these are squared. This kit that I got is square drill. I don't know if it's going to be available in round or square, but I'm so excited to be able to share this first look with you. So we'll take another look at this canvas and then we'll open up the next card. Next up, we're going to unbox the Lovers. This is my favorite one, honestly. Like, I have been thinking about stitching this one for a while now, but I just haven't been able to find the time to kit up. I do have a cold, which kind of sucks, but yeah, I was just in Los Angeles visiting Jaded Gem Shop. So you get exactly the same stuff that you get with the other canvas that I just showed, and the release paper, which we won't really talk about because we don't care about that. Here is a larger version of the thumbnail or of the image. So cute, and there's a cat. I love these aliens. This is so cute. Okay, and then double logo. Then this one has 19 colors. It is the same size as the other one though. And then here are drills, and we'll look at the glimmer drills in a second. Oh my goodness, okay. Check this out. This is so cute. So again, same border. Everything else is kind of the same because it's Witchy Stitcher Jaded Gem Shop. So I'm not going to go into that detail. We'll just look at the main part of the canvas that I know you guys care about. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I love the color scheme that the Witchy Stitcher chose to do these tarot cards in. I love that they're all really fun. Go check out the Witchy Stitcher. Go check her out. She has some really amazing patterns, really cute. And I also participated in one of her stitch alongs, which is the cryptid one. I did not finish it, but that's okay. Anyways, you guys are like, shut up and show us more of the diamond painting. Fine. So here is the thumbnail. And then here are the colors. And this one, we also have 6 glimmer drills, which is very cool. And then we'll take a closer look at the canvas so you can see the symbols. And again, this is a square diamond painting. Very cute. Very cute. I love it so much. I think I'm going to actually work on this one right now, like after I'm done this. Okay, so let's take a look at those glimmer drills. So right off the bat, we have a red glimmer drill. Blue. Oops, here's a blue. And then there's like this like corally color. I don't know what to call it. Peach. This is really pretty, actually. This white color. This purple is a glimmer drill. Aha, and then this green one. I was like, I think I'm missing one. Yes, so this is the last glimmer drill, green. What do you guys think of these diamond painting kits? I think they are the perfect snack size. And don't get offended if I say snack size because literally I'm used to working on larger diamond paintings. But like, I could just see myself collecting all of these, honestly. Like, I think I am going to collect all of them, do all of them, and then they would look so cute, just like simply cut out with the black border showing and like framed or like hung up somewhere, or in a portfolio book where you can flip through all of them, or somehow make them into actual like giant sized tarot cards. Wow, okay, I don't know. You'll have to get creative with them, but I'm very excited. I'm going to do this one, and then maybe I'll attempt to cross-stitch it. I don't know. We'll see. Hi, it's me again, popping my face in. That is the unboxing video, and now we're going to get into the work in progress video, and at the very end, I will show you the finished canvas, but I still have yet to work on this one, so let me know in the comments down below if you want me to work on this one and film it. And make sure, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell because I upload videos whenever I feel like it. Okay, bye. Not done. This diamond painting, I'm almost done it. Like, this is literally in this area that I have to do, but I decided to start kitting up this diamond painting, and I decided that I'm going to use these small containers. But these were the first containers that I bought when I first started diamond painting, because I did like 30 by 40s or whatever, like very small ones. And then I was like, my Harbor Freights are all being used, so I figured that I would use these. And look how cute the stickers look when they're on top of them. So I'm going to kit this up, and then work on it and finish it. And I'm very excited because I love this artwork so freaking much. Oh my god, that's me and that is my lover. Okay, bye. Super excited. I have kitted up the lovers. Beautiful, gorgeous. Here is the product of my kitting up, and this container was perfect. Like, it fit all of the drills. The only thing that I'll have to refill are going to be the 310s, because there are a lot. As you can see, the heart symbol on this canvas is going to be all 310, but I just think it will be really pretty, like, because the rest of the pattern is really colorful. Like, look at all these colors. Let's see if we go this way. Look at all those adorable colors. I'm really excited to work on this. So as I progress, I will do a little vlog style video or report back to you as I go along and show you my progress. I opted to do the black first, and I split it into 2 sections. So I just did kind of halfway. And here's the black. I figured it would be fun to do all of the black and then do the colors next. So that's what I'm doing. And if you're new to diamond painting, typically people do it color by color. So like, split up your diamond painting and then do all the one color, do the next color, etc. in that section. So just a little tidbit. But I did add this washi tape because the glue actually extends. You can kind of see it doesn't extend very far, but it does extend, I guess, probably to maybe just the black border there. So the washi tape prevents like fuzz from my sweater that I was wearing from getting stuck around there, because my plan is, after I'm done this, to cut this canvas where the black border is, to include it with the finished picture. So yeah, I think it looks really cute with all the black done, and now I'm going to fill it in and I will update you more later. Side note, look how pretty this purple glimmer drill looks in my tray. This is Glimmer 554. Gorgeous. And okay, while we're here anyway, I laid out this glimmer drill in the title of the card. Gorgeous. Okay, I'm done being annoying. I will be back. I made it to the halfway mark. Look how freaking adorable and cute this is. I literally cannot. Okay, so let's look. Glimmer. All this glimmer. Okay, I didn't fill in this purple yet. Shut up. All this glimmer. Cute, cute. Glimmer, 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 glimmer. I think it looks so good. Witchy Stitcher as a diamond painting is just, I don't even know. Like, I'm in love. And doing this makes me want to cross stitch it even more now. These are the pens I'm using. If you're curious, they are from Enabler's Outpost, and I use like, each pen has a dedicated sized multi-placer attached to it, okay? So I am not a single placer by any means. I love multi-placing, and this calls for different size multi-placers, or at least, like, if you have a 6-placer, I think a 6-placer would do really well. You don't need like a million multi-placer pens like I have, but I'm super stoked on it. Like, it's so cute. Okay, I'm going to continue. I'm going to finish the top, and then I will come back once it's all done and show you a complete post review, and we can see where all those glimmer drills go. And there is a rogue. I don't know where this came from, this round drill. You can't even see it, whatever. Anyways, I'll be back. And this is Lovers by the Witchy Stitcher. Guys, I'm so excited. I think it turned out so cute. I think this pattern or this cross stitch pattern just translates so well to diamond painting. Look how colorful. Look at like the glimmer drills. Like look at the sparkle. Oh my god. I'm going to have to cross stitch this. Not going to lie. I'm going to have to cross stitch this. The glimmer drills are so cute. I'm so glad that Jade went with glimmers instead of ABs. I think that glimmers are just like, I don't know. They're just so pretty. They look so pretty in real life. I can't explain it. I think this is such a great kit. So I started filming this video yesterday and I finished today. So it's like I would say like if you wanted to do this on one day, like if you have all day on the weekend or something, it's definitely something that you could accomplish. But for me, it was a 2-night thing. I want all of these, just being honest. I want all of these. I just love the Witchy Stitcher. So I'm super excited that she's at Jaded Gem Shop now. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know down below if this is your jam, if this is your kind of artwork, what you think about the size, what you think about the glimmers, what you think about the completion. Are you familiar with the Witchy Stitcher? Are you as excited as I am that she is at Jaded Gem Shop? Let me know in the comments down below and leave an alien emoji. If you just made it to the end of this video and want to let me know, leave an alien emoji. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I post new videos about diamond painting and I do have some cross stitch videos. So make sure you hit that subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Scruffy, are you done pooping? I'm trying to film a video.